Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Creating a code comment with Copilot AI can be straightforward, especially if you're using a code editor app that integrates Copilot AI or has AI capability. So if you're using websites like GitHub, right? GitHub, for example, I'm gonna be able to I'm gonna be able to actually generate a code that you can copy to basically integrate with a Copilot AI, so they can explain or help you solve that code problem. So in my case, I'm gonna go ahead to the general chat, right? And I copied the code already, so I'm gonna paste the code that I just copied, right? And I'm gonna just type explain. I'm gonna write hashtag explain this, all right? Explain this code. Let me remove the hashtag. It was a bad idea. Okay, and then you're gonna hit send, and as you can see, I expired my free trial, but try to hit send and they will give you an answer, right? And save your work, and automatically Copilot AI will save your work in the history. You can go back to it by clicking the three bars or the three lines at the top, right? And you're gonna see it right here saved. Okay, and basically that's it. Be descriptive but concise. Ensure the comment provides value without being overly verbose. Use standard commenting practices like JavaScript or Python, and review the AI output. Always verify AI generated comment to maintain accuracy. So with Copilot AI on your phone, creating insightful code comments becomes quicker and easier, perfect when you are on the go. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.